Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a poem of our English book, okay? And the name of the poem is I Opened a Book. So this is a beautiful poem written by Julian Donaldson, okay? So let me tell you about the poetess, okay? The poetess is, the name of the poetess, Julian Donaldson, okay? She was born on 16th September, okay? 16th September 1948, and she is an English writer, and basically she concentrates on the psychology of a child, that what a psychology of a child really wants, okay? Whatever the, or you can say poem that was written by her was totally based on the child psychology. Like whenever it is very common that whenever we read something, okay, we just want to get into that. The same thing is applicable here in this poem also. What the poet wanted to express, that she expressed that the illustration, actually in what happened in storybooks, in comic books, and even in that serials like you can say play, cartoons and all, the main emphasis is given on, you can say, that illustration, because that illustration really plays an important role to divert the mind of a child, fine? So that is what the poetess wanted to express in this poem, I Opened a Book. In this poem, the poetess wanted to express that how a child gets into the world of imagination, the world which is full of, you can say, illustration, which is full of new things, okay? And that how she deal with all those things, the new situation, and what happened when she left the real world, that means the world of reality, and after leaving that the world of reality, she gets into the world of imagination, that the poetess, or you can say the poet, wanted to express in this poem. So let's get started with the poem. The poem starts like this. I opened a book and I stirred. So I am writing down the word, the difficult word. What you have to do, kids, you have to write down the meaning of these words, okay? Write it down in your notebook also. So the first word is stirred, stirred, okay? The meaning is to walk, let me tell you, to walk with long steps, okay? This is the meaning of stirred, okay? Long steps. So, the poetess is telling about, I opened a book and I stirred. That means she is indicating the child psychology of a child, that when a child opens a book, she started getting into the world of imagination, which is full of, you can say, variety, okay? So she started saying that when a child opens a book, the child started walking with a long step. That means the child started getting through it. Now nobody can find me. I have left my chair, my house, my road, my town and my world behind me. That means the poetess is trying to say that from the child's point of view, that the child is saying that I left each and everything behind me. That means she is talking about the real world that she left, okay? That means before entering the world of imagination, she was in the real world, and what happened when she gets into the imagination world, what she is doing, she is she is getting into a new world, and what she left, how many things? Chair, house, roads, towns, everything behind her, okay? Now I am wearing the clock. The second word is cloak. It means a long gown, of a long loose dress, okay? A long loose outer garment. Outer garment. Garment is cloth, okay? So now what the child is saying, the magic portion. Magic portion. The magic portion. I have fought with the dragon, dined with the king, and dived in a bottomless ocean. Now the child is saying that she is wearing a the child is saying that she is wearing a long loose dress and she slipped into the ring. That means she started getting into the world of imagination. Okay, I have swallowed the magic portion. That means a magical ring. What she did, she gulped it. That means she intake it. Okay. Now I have fought with the dragon. That means she had a fight with whom? With the dragon. Dined with the king. Dined means having dinner with the king, and dived into a bottomless river. That means you can say that the child get into the water, or you can say the ocean. See how beautifully the poet is trying to express the imagination part of a child, that how a child is imagining things in a different way. Okay. The next thing we are having, I opened a book and made some friends. I shared their tears and laughter and followed their roads with its bumps and bends to the happily ever after. Now the child is saying that when she gets into, you can say, a book which is full of imagination, what she did, she made so many friends. Okay, and after that what she did, she shared her feelings, emotion, you can say sadness, everything with them. Okay. After that what she did, she followed each and ups and downs that came into their life. That means each and everything she started, you can say, inherited from that book, and she started feeling the pain, the happiness that she is getting from the book. Now I have finished my book and out I came. The clock can no longer hide me. My chair, my house are just the same, but I have a book inside me. See how beautifully the child is expressing herself, that after finishing the whole chapter, the whole book, now she started feeling that she's coming back to the real world. Earlier she was in the world of imagination, but later on what happened? She gets into the world of imagination. Okay. Now after that, when she came into the world of reality, what she found that she's wearing a frock which she used to wear earlier. That means she is no longer wearing the cloak. That means the loose gown. Okay. Now the chair, my house, my chair are just same. Obviously, because earlier she was in the you can say world of imagination, the world of book. But when she came back to the reality, what she found? She found that everything in the real world was same as it is now. So what she said that when after getting the things clear, okay, that means imagination, when she came back, what she found that everything is as it is now. What a new thing she found? She found that the thing which she imagined, the feeling that she got from that book was really filled her with pleasure, with happiness, with you can say joy, that really mesmerized her. That is why the child is saying that when I opened a book, I was completely changed. Everything was totally different, and she gets enter into the world of imagination, because the world of book is full of imagination. When we start feeling something, definitely we started feeling each and everything with a great pleasure and happiness. So kids, I have written the meaning of difficult word. Okay. If you find some more words, you can add it. I don't have any issue regarding that. Okay. This you can write it down in your notebook. Okay. Like short means to walk with long step. Clock means a long loose outer garment. Then swallow means to make a movement in your throat. Like suppose if I am drinking water, magical drink you can say. Dive means to get into the surface of sea or water. Dive means to eat a meal. Now bump means by accident when you are moving. And bend means to make sometimes that was straight into a curved shape. That means to fold like this. Fine. I hope the poem is clear now. And please write down the difficult words with their meanings in your notebook. So till the time, kids, thank you.